Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, right around 9 o'clock, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 608, and all I can say is this market is upside down and inside out. I have never seen anything like it, where people like Wall Street Bets and the Robinhood traders are evidently doing their homework on stocks with big short positions and just piling into them. In the news today, we have Uber cutting Postmate that they took over Postmate's workforce by 15%, and it looks like all of the executives are going to leave. I'm not sure what Postmate actually has if they don't have the people who are working there. I mean, this is one of those deals where every night when everybody is gone, there's nothing left. I mean, they don't have tremendous IP. They don't have, any CapEx. But the bottom line is Uber is down a little on that news. AMC, $4.80 up $1.30. This is on a $917 million financing package. I really don't want to be taken as somebody who is just, Debbie Downer and consistently negative, but the last $100 million that AMC got last week, which I mentioned, is from a vulture fund, a fund that generally invests in things that they can take, and the interest rate on that $100 million was 15%, and on July 1st, they have to start paying it, win, lose, or draw, whether COVID is over or they're back to, 100% capacity. In any event, that's somewhat of a negative. What is interesting here is that all of these little names are doing well when big companies who are reporting good numbers are then getting punished. We saw that last week in the banks, and I think that we will start to see it a little bit more here. On the earnings front, we have Microsoft tomorrow, Apple and Facebook on Wednesday, and I will update you on all of those in the daily note the night before. A take under NCR, the old National Cash Register, buying Cardtronics, CATM, $1.7 billion or $39 a share. Unfortunately, the stock closed $40.86, so right now it's trading $139.48, and that's down $1.38. Again, on the short squeezes, we have GME. Everybody knows it now. It's GameStop, trading at 101 up 36. This is a company that at 65 was trading at 33 times its enterprise value, so all assets plus debt. Deutsche Bank studying sales of investment banking products. Excuse me. The stock has moved down in the last 6 days from about 12.15 down to about $10 and change, currently 10.46. And we have CVS telling everyone that they are on track for their vaccine distribution in stark opposition to what has been out there, people complaining. And Express, EXPR, another mall-based small company in debt, possibly going under, but with a short position. The stock is $373, up $1.94, which is 107%. Let's remember that even before COVID, companies like Express, that being a mall-based retailer, were garbage to begin with. dramatically lower traffic, dramatically lower sales. Nobody wanted to go to a mall. But, that's the way it is right now. So we have the futures up a bit. We have the S&Ps up 3.25, the Nasdaq up 124, and the Dow down 115. I'm not sure what it is in the Dow that's pulling it down, but it's really not, very much. When you're talking about down 125 on a $31,000 number, it really is basically a rounding error. On the other hand, we have the gold gaining a little here, and more importantly, since we're in it, we have the nat gas up almost 12 cents today. That is a minor little breakout from the last couple of days. We're long the UNG, excuse me, which is the nat gas. And what's important here, from my perspective, I've been sitting and waiting for this 2.554 series of closes and tops last week, and we have poked our head above that. We're going to run into a bunch of resistance here in the 260, 265 area, but that would make us pretty healthy regardless. All right, everyone, don't forget to hit subscribe. Have a good day. Keep your position sizes appropriate, and it won't matter if something goes against you. And I'll be back later on.